When life tests you, show it that you are capable enough to face it alone. Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Vihan Gajaj, am sports devotee and an avid reader from class 6, here to share a very powerful and deeply inspiring book, The Test of My Life. This book is an inspiring autobiography of Yuvraj Singh, one of the India's greatest cricketer and real-life hero. We all know Yuvraj as the star of 2011 Cricket World Cup, the fearless cricketer, smashing sixes for India, won matches for India, and became the player of the tournament. But behind those powerful shots and winning smiles, Yuvraj was hiding something painful. He was battling cancer. This book is not just about cricket, it is about courage, hope, and the fight for life itself. It's about falling, breaking, but still standing tall. It shows us how life can change in a single moment. From loud stadium cheers to lonely hospital rooms. From holding on to a cricket bat to holding on to a life. From celebrating victories for India to fighting a personal war. Yuvraj shares how during the World Cup, he often felt tired, breathless, and dizzy. He ignored it because he didn't want to disappoint his team. But soon, he was diagnosed with a life threatening disease. Everything changed. From cricket to cancer. He went to the USA, passed several months of painful chemotherapy. There were times when he thought to give up, but every time he looked up at the Indian flag or remembered the millions of fans praying for him. He reminded himself that this was another battle he must win. In the later chapters, the book beautifully describes his slow and determined return to cricket. It wasn't easy. His body was weaker, his stamina was lower, but his spirit was unshaken. Step by step, he fought his way back onto the field, proving that true champions never quit. Through this journey, Yuvraj's outlook on life completely changed. He proved that a person's strength is not measured by number of matches won, but about resilience, gratitude, and purpose. That's why he started the You We Can Foundation to help cancer patients and spread awareness. One line from this book that still stays with me till now is champions are not just those who score runs or win trophies. Champions are those who refuse to be defeated by the life. So, whenever life challenges us, we can remind ourselves that challenges are just another kind of test. We stay positive, believe in ourselves, and stay our every test with courage, hope, and never say die to attitude. Thank you.